Hey there, back with my Acura MDX 2002 Touring. We are working on some solenoids, some pressure switches, and torque converter solenoids, single linear, dual linear, all the good stuff. And today I'm going to explain how to get at the A and C shift solenoids. Now, to get at them, you will have to remove the battery, and you'll have to remove the transmission dipstick right here. And behind that, you can see a bolt for the starter. If I can get my fat fingers in there, it's right down there. You remove that long bolt, and you'll come down. You'll have to remove the front plastic. You'll have to bend it out of the way, the shield on the bottom. And once you're down there, you will see another bolt for the starter. It's kind of hidden right up here behind the wires for the solenoids. But if you take both of those bolts out, this whole starter slides to the right just far enough to get both of these out. If you're doing just the one in the front, you don't need to remove the starter. However, if you're doing both of them, you will have to pull that out of the way. It's not as bad as it looks, so good luck.